Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize FiveM or GTFO roleplay. This will be the ultimate guide. Follow my every steps showed in this video and you will get the best performance from your PC. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to create a restore point. Before doing any steps, we have to create a restore point. Go to the start menu and type create a restore point. You will see this create a restore point. Click on this. Now click your system file. Then go to configure. Put this to turn on system protection and max usage to 2%. Now apply. Now OK. Now press create and name anything you want. If anything goes wrong or the settings doesn't work for you, you can restore the system from here. Click on system restore. Now click on the name you put while you was creating a restore point. Then click on next and finish. Then it will restore your system and you can do all the steps again. Now we are done creating a restore point. Let's go to the settings. Now go to the start menu and type msconfig and click on the system configuration. Now go to boot, advanced options and make sure this number of processors is checked and select the highest number available in here. Now click OK and in boot options click on this no GUI boot, set the timer to 10, then apply OK. You can exit without restart cause we are gonna restart when we are done with all the tweaks. Go to the start menu and type disk cleanup. You will see disk cleanup. Click on this and select C drive or system drive. Click OK. Check everything in here except downloads folder. You will see this downloads folder in here. Untick that. If you don't untick that, it will format this downloads folder. So untick downloads folder, then click on OK, then delete files. Go to start menu again, search run, open this run and type %temp%. Open this and delete everything. These are all the temporary files, so you don't have to worry about it. Go to run again and type temp and delete everything in here. Again go to run and type prefetch and delete all of it. Next go to this taskbar, right click, then task manager and go to this startup section and disable any of the programs that you don't wanna start when your PC boots up. After you are done disabling the programs, now go to the Windows settings. In here type background apps and click on this background apps and make sure it's turned off. Now go to the start menu again and type graphics and you will see graphics settings. In here go to the browser settings. Now minimize this window and go to the desktop, click on this FiveM, right click on this and go to this file location and click up here and copy this path and you can paste it in here. If you don't have FiveM on desktop, go to the start menu and type run and type app data here. Now go to local FiveM and you will see this. Now copy this and paste it here. Now select FiveM and press add and you will see FiveM in here. Click on this, go to options and set this to high performance. Click on save. Now right click on this start menu and go to power options. Now click additional power settings. Under the show additional plans, you will see high performance in here. Click on this high performance, then go to change plan settings, change advanced power settings and under the hard disk section, set this value to 0. Now apply and you can exit. Now go to the link in the description and you will find Google Drive link. Go to that link and you will see this page. Click on this FiveM optimization pack. Right click on this. Go to this download and you will download a zip file. To extract that zip file you need WinRAR. I will leave a link in the description for WinRAR. You can download from there. Then extract and you will find this folder. Go to this second one, empty standby list and copy this to desktop. Go to the next one, memory rack. You have to install it. You know how to install, so I already installed. You will see that in the desktop also. Now go to the next folder, Mode Tool V2 and double click it and find your graphics card's name. In my case, this is my graphics card name. Go to this MSI section and make sure you checked this and go to this undefined, click on it, click high, then apply and you can close it. Go to the next folder, quick CPU, install this also. I already installed it. I'm gonna open it from here In the quick CPU, make sure you selected high performance in here. Then make sure all this line at 100%. Then click apply and close. You can skip this 2 folder, or you can also do it because you can restore your system, so you don't have to worry about it. Open this disable wind tracking, double click this and select everything in here, and also these two. Mode privacy service method disabled. Then press go. It will take some time. Go to this last folder, Ultimate Windows Tweaker, and double click this. Go to the performance section and select everything except these 3. Copy my settings, then apply tweaks. Now go to the desktop, go to taskbar, task manager, performance, memory. You can see this cache memory. There is a lot of cache in here. To free up your cache memory, click on this empty standby and you will see it cleaned the cache memory. Whenever you are having any problem, click on this empty standby. The next one is memory duct. Look at this memory in use, 2.1 GB. So if I click this clean memory, it will free up your memory. Also do this whenever you are having any problems. Now go to the start menu and type services. Type superfetch, double click on it and set the startup type to disable and service status stop. Then apply OK. Also you can disable your Windows Update. Double click on this Windows Update, go to this drop down menu and disable it, then stop, apply OK. This can fix your ping issues and net speed. You can also see another folder in that optimization pack, this timer resolution. Click on this and copy it to desktop. Whenever you playing any game, double click this timer resolution and click on this max. You will see this milliseconds is changing. Now you can minimize this. Do not close this window, just minimize this and play game. After you are done playing game, open this again and click on this default. You can also leave it maximum, then close. I leave it like this. You can also do after playing the game, click on this default, then close. And now we are gonna do some FiveM settings. Open up your FiveM. If you don't see this bar, then press F8 on your keyboard and type this command. I will leave this command in the description. You can copy and paste it. After typing the command, press enter and you will see this window. And if you want to disable this window, press F8 again and replace this true with false and it will remove the bar. Now go to any server you play. After you enter any server, go to the pause menu, go to settings. Now go to this graphics section. Keep this render resolution as low as possible. 1080p works fine for me. I'm gonna leave it. Then go to the FXAA, turn this off, MSAA off, VSync off, pause game on focus loss off. Follow my settings. After doing all the settings, apply. If you need to restart your game, then go ahead. After you're back in the game again, go to this advanced graphics and the resolution keep as low as possible and copy these settings also. Now apply. If you need to restart, you can restart. Then you can see your FPS top left. Before changing any settings, go and check your FPS. Walk around and check your FPS. Then do all my settings. You will get more FPS than before. Also you guys have to do some settings in your graphics drivers. I have AMD graphics drivers. I'm not going to show you in this video. I have a separate video on my channel. Link in the description and you can see it on the screen also. Go and check this video. You will get more FPS than before. For Nvidia users, I'm sorry I don't have any Nvidia card. I can't show you the settings. You can follow all the settings showed in this video. These settings works for everyone. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Till then, have fun, take care, peace.